Is your PC running slow, acting strange, or showing unwanted pop-ups? Do not worry, in this video, I will show you step by step how to remove malware and viruses from Windows 10 and Windows 11 quickly and safely. Stay tuned till end to make your computer fast, clean and secure again. First you have to go to the Windows search option, type clean mgr. Here will be the option disk cleanup on the top as you are saying. Click on it. Drive C is selected, press OK. Here all the boxes, check all the boxes, these are the files to be deleted. Do not leave any box. Press OK, click delete files. Windows will delete all the temporary and unnecessary files including malwares and viruses from the computer. Again go to the search bar option and type temp, press OK. Here will be the files. Select all the files and delete them by pressing Shift plus Delete key. Again go to the search bar options, type %sign temp %sign, hit enter. There are the files to be deleted. Select all the files and press Shift plus Delete button. Click on yes. Some files will not be deleted because they are using by the PC. Leave it as it is. Now again go to the Windows search bar option and type MRT. This is the malware remover tool by the PC. Open it. It will take few seconds to be opened. Now click on next button. Here are the three options: quick scan, full scan and customized scan. Now select the quick scan option and click on the next button. The PC will scan all the C drive and will delete temporary and unwanted files like viruses and malwares. It will take some time to scan the C drive. Once the scanning is completed, you have to restart the PC. You will see the Windows is running smoothly and there is no lag in the Windows by the viruses and the malwares. If your PC does not have this tool, just go to this link I have shared in the description of this video. Just download the software from here, and as I have downloaded, double click on it. There will the same software that I have told you earlier. You just have to click on the full scan and click on the next button as I told earlier. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.